In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app on Hubspot. Whether you're an experienced developer or a business owner looking to streamline operations, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes, helping you unlock the full potential of HubSpot's ecosystem. Let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred browser and type hubspot.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click it and enter your HubSpot credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen, your central hub for accessing all available tools and features. From here, we need to navigate to the settings area. Look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear, and click on it. This will open a page where you can manage your account configurations. On the left-hand menu within settings, you'll see several categories. Look for integrations and click on it. This section contains all integration-related tools you can connect to your HubSpot account. Make sure you've fully entered the integrations area. Clicking through again ensures you're in the correct section. Once you're inside the integrations menu, find the option labeled Private Apps and click on it. This is where you can manage existing private apps or create new ones to extend your HubSpot functionalities in a custom, secure way. Now you're ready to create your private app. Look for the Create a Private App button, usually displayed prominently on the page. Click on it and HubSpot will guide you through the setup process. You'll need to provide a name, a short description, and configure the app's permissions based on what your application needs to access. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've navigated the HubSpot interface and created your own private app. With this tool, you can tailor HubSpot's features to your unique business requirements, integrate external systems, and automate workflows more efficiently. Take some time to explore the app settings and permissions to make the most out of your new integration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or explore more resources available through HubSpot Happy HubSpotting.